Good morning, children. Welcome back to our General Science class. I am Binoy Wilson, your General Science teacher. I hope you all are happy and safe. Nowadays we are going through a difficult situation. So, please remember our motto, stay home, stay safe. Today, I am going to teach the remaining part of the topic, harms of animals. Today, we are going to study the remaining part of the topic, harms of animals. Before start our new topic, let us revise what we have already learned from the previous class. Before start our topic, we should revise what we have already learned from previous class. In the previous class, we studied all of us need a home to live in. Like animals also need a home to live in. A home protects animals from heat, cold, rain, and also from their enemies. So all animals need home. For what purpose? Home protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and also from their enemies. Also, we studied some animals live in their natural places. Some animals live in their natural places. Examples: lion, tiger, monkey, elephants. All these animals live in their natural places. Some animals make their own homes. Some animals make their own homes to protect themselves from enemies. Examples: ants, rats, rabbits, earthworms. All these animals can make their own homes. These are the important points we have studied in the previous class. Today we are going to study the homes provided by human beings. There are some animals, they cannot make their own homes, so we have to provide homes for them. The homes provided by human beings. Some animals are kept by us at homes or on farms. Some animals are kept by us at our homes or on farms. They are called domestic animals. So, what are domestic animals? Animals that are kept by us at our homes or on farms are called domestic animals. I hope all of you have pet animals in your home. So they are growing at our homes, isn't it? So what are the examples of domestic animals? Dogs, cats, cows. All these are examples of domestic animals. So some animals that are kept by us at our homes or on farms, they are known as domestic animals. Human beings build homes for domestic animals. So, some animals cannot make their own homes. So, we have to provide homes for animals. We have to provide homes for domestic animals. Look at the picture. A cow is kept in a shed. The home of cow is called shed. A dog is kept in a kennel. A dog is kept in a kennel. A hen is kept in a coop. The home of a hen is called coop. A horse is kept in a stable. You can see a white horse that kept in a stable. A horse is kept in a stable. That means the home of horse is known as stable. Nesting habits of birds. The birds make their own nest and lay eggs in it. So, birds build nest and lay eggs in it. Their young ones hatch and live in the nest. Look at the picture. You can see the baby birds. Okay, you can see baby birds. So, birds build nest and lay eggs in them. Their young ones hatch and live in the nest. How the birds make nest? How the birds make nest? Birds use the following things to make their nests. Birds use the following things to make their nests. Look at the picture. You can see what are things which we use for make the nest. Twigs, feathers, grass, dry leaves, cotton, piece of cloth, stones, hay, coconut fibers. The birds make their nest by using these things. Twigs, feathers, grass, dry leaves, cotton, piece of cloth, stone, hay, and using coconut fibers. So these are the important things used by birds for making their nests. Tailor birds. Now we are going to discuss about some birds. They are making special kind of nets. Tailor birds stitch broad leaves together with their sharp beak. Look at the picture, you can see tailor bird. It has sharp beak. So they stitch broad leaves together. Broad leaves together with their sharp beak using coconut fibers or jute fibers as thread. You can see the thread here. Okay, tailor birds stitch broad leaves together with their sharp beak using coconut fibers or jute fibers as thread. Weaver birds weave their nest. It has a dome-shaped structure. Look at the picture, you can see the dome shape. Weaver birds weave their nest. It has a dome-shaped structure. Woodpeckers make a hole in a tree trunk. Look at the picture, holes on the tree trunk. Woodpeckers make a hole in a tree trunk and lay eggs in it. Clear? Woodpeckers make a hole in a tree trunk. You know, a woodpecker, it has sharp beak. Okay, so they can make hole in a tree and lay eggs in it. Penguins make their nests on the ground using pebbles. I hope all of you understood about penguins. Okay, penguins can only live in cold regions, Arctic region, Antarctic region. Okay, they can it can see in Arctic or Antarctic. That is cold regions. But they can make their nest on the ground using pebbles. Penguins make their nest on the ground using pebbles. Pebbles means small stones, pebbles. Crows make their nest on the top of the trees. Crows always make their nest on the top of trees. Look at the picture, you can see the nest of crow on the top of a coconut tree. You can see the nest on the top of coconut tree. Crows make their nest on the top of trees. A cuckoo is a lazy bird. It is very important. Cuckoo is a lazy bird. It does not build a nest. It is a lazy bird. It does not build a nest, but it lays eggs in a crow's nest. Okay, that is very amazing thing. A cuckoo is a lazy bird. It does not build a nest. It does not build a nest, but it lays egg in a crow's nest. You can see this nest is made by crow, but cuckoo lay eggs in crow's nest. Sparrow make their nest on the branches of trees and in bushes. Sparrow make their nest on branches of tree. Sparrows make their nest on the branches of trees and in bushes. So today we studied the homes provided by human beings. Some animals are kept by us in our home or on farms. They are known as, or they are called, domestic animals. Dogs, cats, cows, goats, all these are examples of domestic animals. Human beings build homes for domestic animals. We have to provide homes for domestic animals. A cow kept in a shed. A dog kept in a kennel. A hen is kept in a coop. A horse is kept in a stable. And also the birds can make their own nest and lay eggs in them. Majority of the birds can build their own nest and can lay eggs in them. Their young ones hatch and live in the nest. Birds use the following things to make nest: twigs, feathers, grass, dry leaves, cotton, piece of cloth, stone, hay, coconut fibers, etc. So birds use these things for make their own nests. Tailor birds stitch broad leaves together with their sharp beak using coconut fibers or jute fibers as thread. Weaver birds weave their nest. It has dome-shaped structure. It is a dome-shaped structure. Woodpeckers make a hole in a tree trunk and lay eggs in it. Woodpeckers make a hole in a tree trunk and lay eggs in it. Penguins make their nest on the ground using pebbles. Penguins make their nest on the ground using pebbles. Crows make their own nest on the top of tall trees. Okay, crows make their nest on the top of tall trees like mango tree, coconut tree, jackfruit tree. Okay, crows can make their nest on the top of tall trees. Cuckoo is a lazy bird. It does not make a nest, but it lays eggs in a crow's nest. So cuckoo is called a lazy bird. Sparrow make their nest on the branches of trees and in bushes. Okay, sparrow make their nest on the branches of trees and bushes. Okay, bushes, in small bushes, you can see the nest of sparrow. These are the important things we studied today. So we can summarize these important points which we have studied today. Some animals are kept by us at our homes or on farms. They are called domestic animals. Animals that kept us at homes or on farms are known as domestic animals. Dogs, cats, cow, etc. are domestic animals. Second point, birds build nests to lay eggs in them. Majority of the birds can make their own nest and to lay eggs in them. Different birds build nests differently and in different shapes. We have already studied. Birds make the nest in different shape and different size and in different ways. So different birds make or build nest differently and in different shapes. Okay, let us do small activity. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Penguins use dash to make their nest. Penguins use dash to make their nest. Grass, pebbles, bricks, trees. Which one is the correct answer? Penguins use pebbles. Penguins use pebbles to make their nest. Second question, the dash makes its nest by stitching together broad leaves. The dash makes its nest by stitching together broad leaves. Weaver bird, tailor bird, woodpecker, penguin. Which one is the correct answer? I hope you know the answer. Yes, correct. The tailor bird. The tailor bird makes its nest by stitching together broad leaves. Third question, a dash is a lazy bird. A dash is a lazy bird. Crow, eagle, cuckoo, sparrow. Crow, eagle, cuckoo, sparrow. Which one is the correct option? Yes, you know. Cuckoo is the correct option. A cuckoo is a lazy bird. One more activity. You can match the following. In the left side you can see the animal. Right side the name of home is given there. Okay, match the following. First one, horse. Which one is the home of horse is known as dash. The home of horse is known as stable. The home of horse is known as stable. Second one, cow. The home of cow is known as shed. The home of a cow is known as shed. Third one, the home of a dog is called, this is the correct option, kennel. A home of dog is called kennel. And the home of hen is known as coop. The home of hen is known as coop. So these are the important points we have studied today. And I would like to give a small assignment. Paste or draw the homes of any 3 domestic animals and the nests of 3 birds. Paste or draw the homes of any 3 domestic animals and the nest of 3 birds. I hope this is an easy assignment. So all of you should do it today itself. So I hope all of you understood the topic very well. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.